Hey YouTubers, this is Zuko480 with the review of Transformers and Ratchet the Fallen, Ratchet, and Voyager class. I think that's the only class you get to come to. So, let me get to articulations in this mode. His head can go up and down a little bit. Oh, I don't think so much. You can rotate 360 degrees. His arms go kind of in and out, up, down. Then at the elbow, rotate 360 degrees. His whole arm can also rotate 360 degrees. He has a hand articulation on his left arm. And this arm is kind of different. Same articulations as the other one though. But except it has finger articulations on here a little bit. You don't have any waist articulations. His leg go in, out, back, forward, backwards, bend at the knee, rotate 360 degrees. He has a little bit of foot articulation. So, yeah. He does looks like the, robot Transformers Ratchet the Fallen, though, a little bit. And he has a weapon on his back, right here. Oh, yeah. This piece right here, which covers up his head when he's transforming, likes to fall off a lot. So, I don't know. Here's his kind of claw thingy right here. You just clip it onto this peg right here. He has this little hole right here. You peg this claw into it, and then you just move this little yellow thing right here up and down, and it just clips like this. Yeah, that's the gimmick that he has. So, we get to the transformation now. You just bend his feet right here, and you just rotate it all the way back, like so. And then you just cover up his head with this piece of hair, and it pegs in on there. Then you straighten out his door. It's right here. So, take out this weight right here. So it fixes windshield right here. And then you rotate his arms all the way around, like so. And sorry about the lighting. It really sucks. And you want to fix his arm right here. Just trying to do the same thing over here. And then you just fix it up right there. And then this part right here, you just try to move his leg and fold it to here. So. Then there's a bunch of pegs right here. I mean, 2 pegs right here. You just clip right there. And you want to make sure it's nice and straight. This part is the hardest part right here. Is trying to clip this thing to that peg right here. There's a hole right here. So you want to peg into this peg right here. You just want to just peg it right here. Alright, YouTubers, I'm back with the transformation of Ratchet. The pegs took forever. Yeah, this is basically just want to peg this little rectangle thing right here. Same thing goes right here. And then you just gotta add in this claw right here. You want to peg this right here. And then you have 3 pegs on this right here, here, here. And then there you have it. Ratchet in his Power H2 mode, which is some kind of ambulance firefighter thing. It says fire department on it, and he's a doctor. I don't know. Yeah. Well, it actually goes pretty good, except for this one wheel. But this is probably all this stuff he has on him. That was my cousin right there walking around in his boxers. And you might hear my cat Toby running around. Yeah. So pretty cool toy, you know. My cousin's been wanting to get this this toy for like a while. So yeah. And but this is not really my toys. All the toys you see on my page, on each channel, are all my cousins. None of them were actually mine. I just review it, put on the channel. Yeah. Alright, YouTubers, we're back. Ratchet in his robot form. So, there's a couple things I don't really like about this toy. One, this piece right here, like, falls off like every single time. It's really loose, and it's not pegged in right. It's really easy to take off. So, that's one thing that you want to think about before buying this toy. And his waist. His waist are not pegged in. It's actually just flat, nothing. So pegged. And his windshield right here like to fall off a lot too. If you don't, set his, waist right, it will fall off. So it's really easy to fall off. Yeah, which I think is really crappy. Just like right now, it's just really easy to fall off. But other than that, it's a pretty cool toy. Okay. Oh, he has one gimmick I forgot to mention. It says on the box it's a hidden axe. What you do is just open up this slide right here, put his hand in there, and open this thingy up right here. And this is supposed to be an axe. Oh, I don't know. This is what the box is. So, we're back with him in vehicle mode. And that's all I have to say about Ratchet. If you are thinking about buying this toy or already have him, be aware of all the, parts that fly off and stuff. And a lot of pieces like fall off in this toy. Okay. Well, thanks for watching my review.